In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble this Dewalt 20V brushless string trimmer. The first thing we're going to do is open up this string trimmer, and I have the folding series, but you can get them attachment capable or the solid shaft, but this is the one that I got. So they're all going to kind of operate a little bit differently. But open this up, you have to pull a little bit hard and then push this down, flip this clip over, and to release it just push this little dont down, it'll lift all the way up and you can lock it back in place. And you have to push that down, it clears that clip, lock it back down, and now it's nice and secure. So we're going to put the guard on. There's a slot here, 2 screw holes on this side. The slot goes over the center of this here and the 2 screw holes line up there. So hold that down, bring this in, push it on, the washer on, drop that guy in, get it started. And you can remove that piece of cardboard. Now we're going to move up to the handle. We need the Allen key to remove these 4 bolts from here. I have Allen key on my drill, so I'm just going to use this. Take it far enough so that the base plate comes off like this. We're going to put this on in a way so that the XR can be read when you're using the string trimmer, so it's going to go on this way. Now I'm going to put this close to where it folds right here. So let's put the bottom bracket on first, put it on like this, slot this on over the top, line it up, bring in our drill, and we can secure this in place. Now we can install the battery. Let's bring the battery in like this, and the grooves here line up with the grooves on the string trimmer, goes in, and you can use your 12V tool batteries from other tools. To use your new Dewalt string trimmer, pull this trigger in on the side and pull the trigger up on the bottom, that'll make it spin. To adjust the speed between low and high, pull this back or forward, so we've got low is forward and then high is back. And that's how to assemble this Dewalt 20V string trimmer.